In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an opportunity from Gmail to GoHighLevel. By the end, every qualifying email that lands in your Gmail inbox will automatically create an opportunity in your chosen GoHighLevel pipeline, keeping your sales tracking organized without manual data entry. First, connect your Gmail to GoHighLevel. Inside your GoHighLevel account, head to Settings in the left menu, then open Integrations and choose Google. Click to connect your Gmail account and approve the permissions. Be sure you're signing into the exact Gmail inbox that receives your lead notifications. If you use multiple Google accounts, double check you pick the right one before confirming access. Next, open Workflows. Go to Automations, then Workflows, and click Create Workflow. Choose Start from Scratch so you can tailor the logic to your exact lead emails. Give the workflow a clear name so your team immediately knows what it does. Now, add the Gmail trigger. Click Add Trigger and select Email Received or Gmail Received depending on your GoHighLevel version. Set filters so only the right emails fire the automation. For example, you can set from address contains to a domain your leads come from and subject contains to something like new lead. You can also include has attachment if that's part of your lead notifications. These filters act like guardrails, preventing newsletters and unrelated messages from creating junk opportunities. Add the Create or Update Contact action next. Click Add Action and choose Create Update Contact. Map the email to the email field and the sender name to the name field. If the email body includes a phone number, map that as well. Using Create Update means GoHighLevel will update an existing contact if the email already exists, rather than creating duplicates, which keeps your CRM clean. Then add the opportunity. Click Add Action and select Add to Opportunity. Choose the pipeline where you track new leads, pick the appropriate stage, set the status to open, and optionally add a lead value if you have one. This ensures every qualifying email immediately appears on your pipeline board where your team works. Finally, save and publish. Click Save, then Publish to turn the workflow on. From now on, whenever Gmail receives an email that matches your filters, GoHighLevel will automatically create or update the contact and add an opportunity in the pipeline and stage you selected. Keep your filters specific, name the workflow clearly, and you'll have a reliable hands-off lead capture from Gmail into GoHighLevel.